What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and to a freaking winter wonderland. We have a few dope things to install in the Evo today. All ETS intercooler piping, so short route intercooler, new tile BOV, and maybe some other stuff. And then we got to get our winter wheels and tires finished up so we can get them on the car, pull some stuff off the car, and turn this thing into a winter beast. I tried to blow some snow off of it, but I realized that's kind of pointless because in about 2 seconds, we're gonna go right back outside and go hooting and get this thing full of snow again. So this is the current setup on the car. Not bad. The intercooler piping is for a stock location battery. And I know a lot of people were kind of wondering why the hell I did this battery relocation and just left all that space there. I did that early because I knew we were gonna eventually go with the short route intercooler piping. So this is made by Engine. I'll have this exact piping kit linked down below, but I will be selling this. So if anyone wants to buy this stuff, shoot me a DM over on IG, over on Instagram. So we're gonna be pulling the upper intercooler pipe off, lower intercooler pipe, and our intake as well. I'm gonna be reusing the air filter because I know how much you guys absolutely love my air filter. Every video has like 1,000 comments of people just loving my air filter. So let's throw the new intake on and we're gonna keep the filter. Even though I have a brand new ETS air filter sitting in the box, let's reuse our really nice squishy K&N. I think that's why this car sounds so good. It's because every time you build some boost, the air filter goes like this. It's pretty sweet. I really like it. If someone wants to buy that filter, I'll sell it for like 50 bucks. It's pretty custom. So, you know, shoot me a DM on Instagram. To get this video started out, we got to pull off the bumper. I feel like every video we pull off the bumper, but we got to pull off the bumper to get the lower pipe off and to get the lower section of the upper intercooler pipe off. So let's just rip the bumper off, get all the stuff that we are going to be replacing off of this car. We are definitely taking a gamble right now. I don't have the tile 50mm BOV in. I ordered it. It is out for delivery by FedEx, but FedEx usually doesn't deliver when we're getting pounded with snow. In the last 3 or 4 hours, we've probably got like 6 inches of snow. So I don't know if they're gonna deliver it today. I don't really freaking care. I just wanna get this piping off here, get the new ETS stuff installed. We just got all of the piping off and I have it sitting right next to the new stuff. Let me show you guys the difference. So this is all the stuff we pulled off: engine, intercooler piping, and intake. This is all ETS stuff: ETS intercooler piping, ETS intake. I've had the intake sitting around for a very long time and I powder coated it black a long time ago. That is a short route upper intercooler pipe, and this is a stock battery location upper intercooler pipe. This runs right through where the stock battery sits. That's why you have to do the battery, either a battery relocation kit or a mini battery. Going to the short route is gonna give us much quicker spool time. And not only that, it's gonna, I think it looks much cleaner in the engine bay versus the stock location intercooler piping. For now, I'm gonna keep it this color. I think I'm going to powder coat it black eventually, like a wrinkle black, but I really wanna see how it looks completely raw, how it is right now. The BOV still hasn't came in yet, so let's hope that does. We do have to swap that intake air temp sensor, that guy right there, onto this intercooler piping. So let's get all this stuff installed. We definitely can't forget about our badass air filter that we have to swap out onto the ETS intake. Just got the upper intercooler pipe on. It looks pretty good, I think, in that color, but like I said earlier, eventually I'll probably powder coat it black. But anyway, FedEx just showed up, dropped off the BOV, so let's get this guy installed and then we can move on to the lower intercooler pipe. So there's a seal that goes in there. I don't know what spring's in here right now, but there's another spring right there, and of course, the clamp. As you can see, we had to run our old engine lowered intercooler pipe. The ETS and the old one are a little bit different shape, a little bit different bends, and of course we weren't sent the proper couplers, so I'm gonna have to order up the couplers for this guy. Let's throw on this intake real quick, and then we can start this thing up, go for a drive, and see how all this feels and how the new BOV sounds. 'Cause I absolutely loved how that Gretty BOV sounded. This is the ETS intake, and I don't think I'm gonna run this for life. The main reason for it is it has this bug on here, and that is for a catch can. Currently, we're not running a catch can, but we will be running a catch can eventually. And the catch can setup we're going to be running is going to be the same setup as the Evo 10, where it's just through the valve cover with no vacuum source whatsoever. That's how the 10 set up, and I like that setup. So I'm gonna actually have my brother Austin build me a custom titanium intake pipe for this car, which is gonna look absolutely sick. So for now, we can run this guy, and I'm gonna somehow plug this tiny hose into this dash 10 fitting. I'll figure something out. I'll just jam it in there or something. I don't really care. Let's get all that set up, and then we can get the car back on the ground and maybe try to go drive it, because there's like a foot of snow outside right now. That sounds pretty dope. Of course, the belt is squeaking again. We just swapped out the belt. It was like 2 days ago, and it started squeaking again. So annoying though. I thought we had the issue fixed. It was fine for like the last day, but yeah, it's squeaking again. What do you do? Guys, look at how much snow we are getting tonight. We're supposed to get another like 8 to 10 inches tonight on top of what we already have, which is like 5 inches, 4, 5, 6 inches. I don't know how long is my freaking hand. 5 inches. I'm already plowing the snow, pulling out of here, so I don't know if we're gonna take the Evo tonight, but I kind of want to see how this BOV sounds. I might do a few little loop-de-doos around the house and see how this bad bitch sounds. That was a good time. That was pretty sick. I don't think I'm gonna be driving this car tonight. I don't have the snows on it yet, and I still have the lip and skirts and all that crap. So yeah, I'll pick this video back up tomorrow. We got so much snow last night, guys. I don't know if this is a good idea because it's a little bit wet, but we're pushing some serious freaking snow right now. Let's go snatting around and see what we can do today. I gotta figure out what's going on with that belt as well. Brand new belt. It's either the power steering pulley, and I just put a flashlight on it, and it looks like that crank pulley is as well is kind of flopping around. So I should probably put like a fluid dampener or something along those lines on that guy. I'm guessing that we forgot to tighten some up because the car isn't building any boost anymore. As soon as I pulled out of the driveway, there's got to be an intercooler pipe somewhere that just popped off. That'll do it. Current situation, it's deep, boys. It's pretty damn deep. Alright guys, we made it back to the shop without destroying anything on the car. That's gonna be it for today, boys. We definitely need to make this car a little bit more winter friendly, so stay tuned for the next episode to see exactly what all we're gonna be doing to handle all the snow we're getting hit with right now, because we have a lot of freaking snow and we're gonna get more.